Let's see what we got up in here. Buffing towels, Hawaiian shine, detail spray, wax that can be used as a wet or dry surface, remove fingerprints, smudges, and surface dust from paint, chrome, glass, plastic while creating unmatched shine. So I got that. Got this Jax wax, super citrus, like an all-purpose cleaner. Cannon soap, y'all already know what that means. Cannon soap for nice foam cannon. Might have to go back there tomorrow or something since they're open now, and go pick up something for washing the car actually. So, or just go to Auto Parts store, but like I don't know, the brands aren't as good. So yeah, we'll see. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish. Welcome back to another video, man. I am going to next gen tuning again. Just got done installing my rear lip on the car and the little spoiler lip on the trunk. If you haven't watched that video, go check that out. This video, we're installing the hybrid racing shifter. They're cool. We're doing a meet here at Tuesday from 7 to 10 at night. So remember that. Let me show you this thing. Looking all beautiful, like wrapped like a burrito though. See that? Sheesh. Thing is a beauty.
A short shifter.
Right, you know that thing's gonna be shifting hella precise. Accessories in here, whatever, nuts, washers, whatever that is. Hell yeah. About to be sick. Alright, let's wrap it back up like a burrito. Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. We are in the workshop. I already showed you guys what it is, but it's still wrapped up like a burrito. But as you can see, the hybrid racing shifter, the whole shebang. After, you know, what started this whole basically rebuild thing, you know, money shifting, messing up the crank, me pulling out the motor, and this whole shenanigans. Learn to not cheap out, and let me just get an official short shifter, something that's gonna be precise as fuck, not gonna miss a gear or not know where it is or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna install it, just take it out. This thing is beautiful, man. Start installing this because my whole interior is apart, been apart for a while. When I took out CT short shifter, try to disassemble it, but you know, shit's stuck on there. Enough chatting, let's get on to this video. I just had to double check, make sure I had everything in place in there, because after the move, you know, the whole road trip, things kind of, you know, tossed around a little bit, and yeah, things just laying out in there. I also had to go over the install guide, and I had to look at a video, because like, what is this thing? What the fuck is this for? Let me go ahead and do this. Let's do it. Alright, I apologize, guys. The lighting in here is a little bit dim. You have to push this a little bit back to give it some slack. The fork for this shifter. So guys, I kind of got into like place a bit. I may try installing the C-clip first because you can move the arm in and out, and then I'll push it into place and put the bolts in. So let me try to do that and see how it works, and then let you guys know. To really get things installed, you're gonna have to take those out. It's just 2 screws, 2 nuts right there, 10 mils. Push that back so you could access that more. But I'm gonna put the bolts in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, I'm gonna be calling it quits for tonight. It's already about to be 10. Give it a break. I'm getting a little frustrated with things, and I don't want to use anger with nothing. This thing just sits in there loosely. Call it quits right now and pick this up tomorrow when it's some daylight out. Fresh thoughts, fresh energy. I'll catch you guys back tomorrow. Peace.
Day 2.
What's up, everybody, man? We are back on the second day. I started the hybrid racing shifter install last night, and I was at it all day yesterday, and little things were getting frustrating, but It's more so because of me just having a cloudy mind, just being tired. I didn't eat a lot yesterday either, so it was kind of my own doing. But today, fresh mind, fresh sleep, you know, all that good stuff. We are going to finish it up. Or like, I mean, I basically had a lot together already. It's just the shifter connector. Like, I looked over a video and looked like it should just like pops in for people, but that thing is like sitting in mad loose for me and just keeps just popping out, and I can't get the clip on without it, you know, popping out and shit. And I was just getting frustrated. I'm gonna try it again today with no frustration and just being tired and all that. Let's get into it. God damn it, right when I was about to hop in the car, set everything up, I look up, there was like a big ass wasp somewhere. I don't even know how the fuck it got in here, where it came from. But then I tried to pop open the garage door and it like disappeared or something. I'm bugging out now. I don't like bees like that, especially wasps. Alright guys, we are back. So I just wanted to show you what was messing me up last night. Like right there. For people, it is just, you know, kind of like snapping in, seemingly being snug. But for me, I put it in and I don't know, it's just loose. But let me try to mess with this and try to figure this out. You know, it's looking good. Look at that, it's looking good though. Alright guys, so after like 5 minutes playing around with it, I think I got it how it's supposed to be, because I don't see no other like way. It's hard to keep it on there and get the clip on at the same time, so you kind of have to get the clip on first, like put it off to the side right here, get the clip on, and then push it and snap it into the ball joint. Seems like it's holding, because it's like it wasn't holding before, but now it is. I think we may be good. You gotta just get it snapped in and it seems like it'd be good. Let me get the shifter arm on. I guess you can have it however you'd like. I won't be able to test it out, review it for you guys yet, you know, because my car is not running. It's got no trans in it. I just wanted to get little projects done already set up for when my motor is, you know, good to go. I'll be talking about that later, or maybe in the next video or something. I think we figured out plans with the motor and what I'm gonna do. Hold on, I'll be right back. God damn, guys, look at that. That looks beautiful, man. That looks just so perfect. Oh, you just know that's gonna be like, you move it to the side, that picks up on that side. Like, oh man. I can't wait to feel this, guys. That's why you always spend your money on more quality parts, or at least I try to as much as I can, especially for, you know, you guys and YouTube, because I try to represent. I represent for the TSX community, always posting, I'm always, you know, making that content, always trying to show you guys the way as well. Yeah, beautiful work of art, hybrid racing. I'm glad I made this purchase. 325 bucks, next gen tuning. So shout out to you for the little discount. But yeah, let me put the interior back together, then we'll really see how it just like looks sitting and whatnot. I'll be back. Okay, so I don't know if I fully mentioned this when installing this, but you do have to take this out, the two 10 mils, so you could access behind there more and where the C-clip goes. I'm just putting that together right now. Then you kind of just work your way, you know, the lights and this, you know, little connectors and whatnot. It's not that hard. I'll get back to you guys when it's together and looking all clean again. Got the interior all together, man. Clearly doesn't feel like anything because nothing's connected, but looks nice and slick, bruh. Real beautiful. Like, I want to take off this boot eventually so you could see the hybrid racing shifter and expose it, show off what you got because it looks good. Job complete. It is like 12 in the afternoon right now. It's not that hard, the hybrid racing shifter install. It's pretty simple. Interior is pretty easy to take off and put back on. Let me get up out of here. I had a tuna sandwich right there. Clean up some of these tools. Oh, another video right here. 3000K golden yellow and 65,000K white. Shout out to my boy Laro, man. #1 supporter, helper, always with info. Hit me up. You know, we're always just helping one another. Dude's always helping, you know, giving a hand, info, second opinion. Shout out to him for sending this for this beauty, and that's gonna be next video. Tune in the next video to see how these work and how they look. It's dual colors, so it's like you press it, I think once. I forgot what he told me how to activate it. It's like you press it, you have to turn it off, then press it again real quick, then it switches colors. So I don't know how that's gonna look or be, so we're gonna have to take off the front bumper and whatnot and install them and see what's good. Thank you guys for checking out this one. Hybrid racing shifter install is not necessarily like a how-to, but I'm sure you could grasp of how to put it together and whatnot from me explaining and showing the little parts. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, we live in Rish, guys, so thank you for living Rish with us.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.